Yes, I'm in the process of making ackee and saltfish. So this is the garlic in the oil. Make it slightly brown, and then put the onions in. Is the tomato up and running? No, not yet. Let me turn the stove down. While that is the tomato should be already. This was just a backhanded way of doing it. Quick. That's a little quicky thing. Stir up little. Then I put the tomatoes in. Yeah. Right, so I've just realized I haven't got no pepper. That would be nice with pepper, you understand? But I haven't got no pepper, so I'm going to use a substitute. I'm going to use black pepper. Alright? I'm going to use black pepper. Yeah. And then I've boiled this is this saltfish that I've boiled, and just sort of pick it up, you know, do it like that in bits and pieces. Okay. And put it in. Put it in. Put that there.
No, they're not.
And then it's time for the ackee.
Is everything in the blue bag chicken? Yeah, but the white bag's in the blue bag.
This is the easiest meal to cook.
That's right.
Very easy.
There's like three.
That's really it, you know. Ackee and saltfish, the easiest thing you can prepare. Very easy thing to prepare. Obviously, I don't find this the best tin ackee to use because it's what's the name of this one? Original Jamaica Pride?
Yeah, Jamaica's Pride.
So take out all three of them. Yeah, all three of them together.
Let's put some. It's ready to be served.
Oh, she's doing
That's you know.
Okay.
Ready to rock and roll. Can take that off now. That's ready.
Yeah.
Cardigan.
That's your dumpling. That's your banana. You notice I boil the banana in the skin, I don't want to peel it. This is what it's funny because I notice that people don't peel the they don't peel the banana, they boil it in the skin. It doesn't matter, you can peel it or leave it in the skin. Understand? And that's all ready to You think you can do that?
What?
All this?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
So let us eat then. Alright. All ready.